Hello everyone, how are you today? It's Jim from MPX AUTOS, and in this video I would like to share the work that we finished in the Toyota Kluger 2015 model 14 and 15. So this one belonging to the generation 2014 until 2018. So the car come with the standard radio before, and the radio screen was faulty. What it means is that it was loading when the owner turned on the car. So actually the previous head unit was not functioning anymore. Nothing, no reverse camera, no sound, no steering, nothing. And at this point we already replaced with the new 10-inch premium package setup, and this one has everything at the premium level as you wish: wireless Apple Carplay, wireless Android Auto, built up to the highest level and stable and very fast and smooth. Of course, we already connect to the steering wheel control setup here. All of those buttons you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 button works very well into the new system, and we assign those buttons into the function into the new one. Beautiful phone pick up, volume checking, up down, mute, unmute, and home system. And we also keep the factory USB port over there, and secondly we fit a second USB inside the glove box securely. That about. And how about the camera? We actually got the request to retain the factory camera in this setup, so our premium setup now is on with the factory reverse camera. You can see that the factory reverse camera show up on the new 10-inch screen like this. So it works very well. You turn it on reverse and it show up the reverse camera, and then it comes back to previous screen, which is wireless Android Auto quickly. And you turn the reverse again, it come up on the cameras again, and then you go back to the previous application on the screen. So yes, everything is beautifully done, and the owner is waiting at the coffee shop right now, excited to get back to the car with the whole new premium 10-inch system for his Kluger. So if you like our video, please don't forget to click subscribe. That will help us to know that we are doing, good video, and we can spend more time to do a better video and more interesting video and more helpful, more value videos to the community. So thanks again, and click the subscribe, and then we'll see you then.